In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up coaching consultation calls with Stan's Store. To get started, log into your Stan's Store account. On the left-hand panel, look for the option called My Store and click on it. You'll see your store header and a list of your existing products. To add a new coaching consultation, click Add Product. Stan will show you different product types you can create. From that list, choose Coaching Call. This will open up the product editor where you'll set everything up. In the product editor, you'll see a preview on the right and your main product settings in the center. First, let's configure the thumbnail, which is what people will see on your store page. Choose your preferred thumbnail style, such as button, callout, or preview. Then click Choose Image. You can either select an image from Stan Store's built-in options or upload your own from your computer. After that, add your coaching consultation title. Make it clear and specific, for example, what type of coaching or who it's for. Then add a short subtitle like Book a Private Coaching Session with Me to explain the offer. For the button text, use something action-oriented, such as Book a one-on-one call with me or Book a session with me. When you're happy with this section, click Next. Now you'll customize the checkout page, which is what customers see when they're about to purchase. Again, you can add an image here using Choose Image, then either pick from Stan's options or upload your own. In the description body, write a detailed explanation of your coaching call, what's included, who it's for, and what clients can expect. This area supports rich text, so you can format your text, embed an image or video, and even add links. Then, edit your bottom title and your call to action button text so it matches the tone of your offer. Set your price by typing it into the price field. If you want to offer a discount, toggle on the discount option and enter your discounted price. Below that, decide what information you want to collect from customers. Name and email are always required and can't be removed. If you need more details, click Add Field. You can choose from phone, text fields, multiple choice, drop-down, or checkboxes, depending on what you need to know before the call. When you're done here, click Next. Next, set up your availability. In the first drop-down, choose where you'll host your meeting: Google Meet, Zoom, a custom location, or the default option. Then select your time zone so clients see accurate times. Under duration, choose how long each coaching call will be, anywhere from 15 minutes up to 480 minutes. Use the prevent booking within X hours of current time setting to avoid last-minute bookings that you might not be able to prepare for. Set the maximum number of attendees who can join the meeting, which is especially useful if this is a group coaching call. If you don't want back-to-back calls, turn on breaks before and or after each meeting and choose the length of those breaks from 5 minutes up to 3 hours. Under Book Within the Next, set how many days into the future people are allowed to book. Finally, choose your available times. Each day of the week is shown as a button. Click a day to deselect it if you don't want to offer calls on that day, and click again to select it. On the right side of each selected day, add the time ranges when you're available. If your schedule varies throughout the day, click the plus button to add multiple time slots for that same day. Take a moment to double check that these times work for your real-life calendar. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Wait for the page to reload, and you should see a confirmation pop up at the top. That means your coaching consultation call product is now live and ready for clients to book through your Stan Store.